So, welcome to God's country. We're in Illinois. It's early. It's like 7:20 or so. Derek has a stacker loaded up. Austin's truck has all my tires and all that in it. Car's warming up. So, we're ready for IFO. It's going to be a fun day, hopefully. We don't know what the course looks like. There's tons of drivers registered, so hopefully we get some decent seat time. Hey, look, it's like vlogception. Look at Derek over there. But this should be really fun, so we're excited. All right, so I'm rushing to do everything right now, but all stuff is unpacked. See here. Everything's cleared out of the car. I have the ESRs on the rear for the drift spares. I just adjusted my handbrake, which I can make a video on that, but essentially you have two handbrake adjustments. So you have this right in here on the handbrake itself, and then you have one on the actual drum. So I've already, like last year, I had already adjusted the easy one, which is inside the car for street driven. And so basically my handbrake cable is as stretched out as it's gonna get. So I had to go in and adjust it from the actual shoe. So now what's nice is I have it super tight, and what I can do is I can adjust it from here. Maybe. But about to go get the car teched, about to go get out there. The course is really technical. So I'm really excited for this. I'm hoping I can be in third for the start and then go down to second. We'll see how it goes. The car feels great though. Haven't had any issues with it recently. So I'm not too worried about it. And this thing doesn't even use oil. So pretty excited. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'm gonna try and not go too crazy today. I guess we'll see what happens, but it should be fun. That was close.
kidding.
Are you ready for the roughneck bass? 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 Are you ready for the? 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 Oh my God! It's Touge. Are you ready for the? Bass. Are you ready for the roughneck bass? 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 Are you ready for